Hey, Brent, we're bored. Let's do something fun.
Okay, guys, watch this. O.
Wow!
It's O space E.
And the letter K.
O.
Oak.
Cool, let me try. O.
It's O space E and the letter P. O.
Ope.
Very good. Now, watch this. Sl. S L O P E. Sl. Ope. Slope. Let's slide down that slope.
All right.
Yeah! Whee! Ah! Oof! That was fun!
But now we're stuck in a hole.
How are we going to get out?
Aha! R. R. O. P. E. R. Ope. Rope. Let's climb up the rope.
Okay.
I'm next!
Wait, Eric, not yet.
Huh?
Ugh.
Oh no.
Uh-oh. Bruh. B-R-O-K-E. Bruh. Oak. Broke. The rope broke. What are we going to do now?
Aha! I know. S M O K E. Oak. Smoke. We can send a smoke signal.
Great idea.
Huh? It looks like someone needs help. Hello? Fire department?
Thanks for calling for help, Molly.
You're welcome. But how did you guys get stuck in that hole?
We slid down that slope.
You mean that slope?
Oh no! Eric, don't slide down that slope.
Here I come! Whee!
Hey Danny, do you remember the words we made today?
Yes. Ope, slope. Now you try. Ope, rope. Now you try. Oak, broke. Now you try. Oak, smoke. Now you try.
That's right. Look, we are sliding down a slope. You are climbing a rope. Eric broke the rope. Molly sees smoke.
I hope Eric's more careful next time.
All right, see you next time.
Bye-bye.